from Rwanda, Africa. So we ordered the machines from Blue Elephant. These machines that are here behind, the fiber laser cutter machine for tubes and also for plates. So the machines were delivered. We get the technical team here. They come for installation, and also they gave us training. During the training, we produced these small samples, and we appreciated the service they gave us, and we recommend them for customers around the world because we really appreciated their service. Thank you.